For this assignment, I have chosen to create a PowerPoint presentation on how to make a pincushion. This PowerPoint would be used in my sewing classes for the beginning or advanced sewing classes. I've also included pictures to help explain what I am doing. The first step is to cut 2 pieces of fabric into the same desired size. For this pincushion, we're using a solid color for the back and a striped color for the front. Step 2 is optional. Students can sew a button in desired place. Here we are sewing it in the upper right hand corner. The reason this is optional is students may not feel comfortable sewing a button just yet. For those who do, can choose this step. Step 3 is to pin the 2 pieces of fabric with right sides together. So the stripes are going to be facing down towards the back. And you also want to make sure that the pins are perpendicular to the fabric, as shown here. And the reason that we pin the right sides together is so the seam is on the inside of the finished product. Step 4 is starting 2 inches in on one side. We're going to sew a 5/8 seam around the edges. We're going to pivot around the corners, so this will be a clean finish. And when pivoting, remember to leave your needle down when turning the fabric. You also want to make sure to leave 1 to 2 inches open from where you started to where you stopped. So from here to here. Step 5, we're going to clip the corners and trim the sides of the fabric. This will allow for a clean finish and reduce bulk. Step 6, we're going to turn the pincushion right side out. Step 7, we're going to stuff batting into the opening of the pincushion. So this is why we left the 1 to 2 inches open, so that we could turn it right side out as well as stuff the batting into the pincushion. For our final step, we're going to pin the opening closed and we're going to hand stitch it. And that is how to make a simple pincushion.